Hello, little friends. Tonight, we are going to meet a very special little hero who lives in a cozy children's bedroom filled with wonders. The moonlight drifts gently through the window, painting silver patterns on the carpet and soft pillows. Tiny toys rest quietly on shelves, each waiting for a new adventure. The room feels magical, peaceful, and full of gentle surprises. Meet Bip, a tiny toy robot with shiny silver arms, glowing blue round eyes, and little wheels instead of feet. Bip hums softly as he slowly awakens, rolling across the carpet. Every corner of the room seems alive. Stuffed animals leaning slightly, stacks of colorful books forming tiny mountains, toy cars lined up like soldiers. A faint sparkle flickers from a distant shelf, catching Bip's attention. Tonight, something unusual is about to happen. The glow seems to call him, inviting him to explore a secret adventure quietly unfolding around him. Bip notices a faint glowing trail curling across the carpet, shimmering in soft pink, blue, and gold. It winds around pillows, toy blocks, and stuffed animals, inviting him to follow. His little wheels hum softly as he rolls along, curiosity sparkling in his glowing eyes. The trail seems alive, moving gently as if guiding him towards something wonderful. The moonlight glints off Bip's silver arms and round eyes, reflecting the colors of the glowing path. Shadows stretch across the walls, forming shapes of tiny animals and clouds. Every twist and turn of the trail reveals new tiny wonders. A plush bunny peeking from behind a pillow, a little toy train waiting on the floor, and books stacked like miniature mountains. The glowing trail beckons him forward. Bip imagines a hidden magical world within the bedroom, where every sparkle is a gentle hint of surprises to come. He rolls carefully, ready to follow every twist, his curiosity growing stronger with every gentle hum of his wheels. The glowing trail leads Bip to a forgotten corner shelf, tucked quietly against the wall. The shelf is filled with sleeping toys, small bears, dolls, cars, and tiny blocks. Moonlight catches their edges, turning ordinary shapes into a magical miniature world. Shadows dance across the walls, stretching and twisting, making the shelf seem alive. Bip rolls closer, his glowing blue eyes fixed on a tiny wooden box glowing faintly at the back. He climbs carefully onto a stack of books, the wheels of his tiny robot body humming softly. The toys seem to lean toward him as if welcoming his presence. The golden light from the box spills gently across the shelf, illuminating every corner. Bip feels a thrill of curiosity, imagining that the box holds a secret adventure. The trail of glowing light seems to whisper, guiding him toward the tiny treasure. Every spark and shadow makes the room feel alive, safe, and magical, inviting Bip to explore its hidden wonders. Bip gently lifts the small wooden box. A soft rainbow light spills out, filling the room with shimmering pink, blue, and gold. The glow dances across pillows, books, and scattered toys, Tiny sparkles rise from the box, floating slowly in the air like miniature stars. Bip's blue eyes widen with amazement as he hums softly, rolling gently along the rainbow-lit floor. The trail seems to stretch from the box, forming a path of soft light guiding him forward. Shadows from toys twist into playful shapes, like animals, clouds, and tiny castles. Bip imagines that the box is a doorway to a secret magical world hidden within the bedroom. His silver arms reflect the rainbow light, sparkling like little mirrors. The air feels alive with gentle magic, and the trail seems to whisper encouragement. Every movement and shimmer invites him to roll further, ready to discover what adventures lie beyond the glowing rainbow box. From the rainbow glow, a soft floating carpet appears, shimmering with pastel colors. Bip climbs onto it carefully, feeling it sway gently beneath his tiny wheels. Sparkles drift around him, reflecting softly in his glowing blue eyes. The carpet glides smoothly past pillows, stacks of books, and toy mountains, all bathed in warm rainbow light. Bip hums softly, enjoying the gentle ride. Plush animals peek from behind pillows, and stacks of books look like miniature hills beneath him. The floating carpet seems alive, responding gently to his movement, carrying him forward with soft, steady motion. At the far end of the room, a faint golden door glows, inviting him to continue. Bip rolls carefully, curiosity sparkling in his blue eyes, ready to explore the next magical discovery. The room feels alive and safe, every corner full of wonder and gentle secrets waiting to be revealed on the floating rainbow carpet. At the far end of the room, the faint golden door glowed softly, surrounded by sparkles from the floating carpet. Bip's blue eyes widened as he rolled closer, the soft hum of his wheels matching the gentle shimmer of the door. The rainbow carpet carried him smoothly, every sway making the room feel magical and alive. Pillows, toy mountains, and tiny plush animals seemed to lean forward, as if encouraging him to go further. Bip reaches the golden door and nudges it with a silver arm. The door creaks open, revealing a hidden corridor lined with glowing stars and tiny floating lanterns. The soft light reflects in his eyes, turning them brighter. Every step he takes feels safe and calm, but full of wonder. He rolls carefully along the sparkling hallway, following the subtle glow that seems to guide him toward a magical secret waiting beyond. The corridor stretched before Bip, filled with countless tiny floating stars. They drifted slowly, leaving trails of soft golden light in the air. His small wheels hummed gently as he rolled forward, and the glowing stars reflected in his blue eyes like twinkling jewels. The pastel carpet followed him faithfully, floating smoothly without wobbling, keeping Bip safe and steady. Along the walls, miniature paintings of magical landscapes flickered in the soft light, forests of glowing mushrooms, rivers of rainbow water, and mountains made of clouds. Bip rolled carefully past them, fascinated by every detail. The corridor seemed alive, whispering stories of adventures long past. At the end, a gentle golden glow hinted at a larger room filled with wonders. His curiosity and excitement grew, the robot ready to explore everything waiting in this secret magical world hidden inside the room. Bip arrives at a room that looks like a magical workshop. Tables float gently, holding tiny gears, glowing crystals, and miniature tools. Soft golden light spills from hanging lanterns, illuminating every detail. Bip hums softly as he rolls carefully among the tables, his blue eyes wide with wonder. Tiny sparks drift lazily from magical machines, spinning slowly and creating gentle whirring sounds. On the far side, a workbench holds a mysterious glowing orb. Bip moves closer, the floating carpet keeping him steady. Every movement reflects light across his shiny silver arms and wheels. The room feels alive, as if welcoming him to explore and touch the magic around him. He imagines building little inventions, helping toys come alive, and discovering hidden secrets in every corner. The gentle hum of the carpet, twinkling lights, and floating sparks make the workshop a safe, enchanting place where Bip can begin a new adventure. Bip notices small toy friends scattered across the workshop. A tiny teddy bear with a sparkling scarf, a miniature doll with golden hair, and a little wind-up car all look ready to explore. They hum and glow softly as Bip approaches. He hums in response, wheels rolling smoothly over the floating carpet. The friends seem alive, playful, and curious, each reflecting gentle light from the magical workshop. Bip leads them along paths of glowing dust that wind around the tables and floating tools. Every step feels calm and joyful, the robot's blue eyes reflecting twinkling lights. Together, they explore miniature inventions, floating lanterns and sparkling crystals, discovering small magical secrets hidden everywhere. Bip feels proud guiding his tiny friends, his curiosity matched by theirs. The workshop feels alive, full of gentle movement, soft glowing lights, and quiet magical sounds, promising that even more wonders await in the next room. Bip, the little toy robot, rolled slowly through the magical garden one last time, his small wheels making soft, almost silent whispers against the pastel carpet of clouds. Every floating flower, twinkling light, and tiny toy companion seemed to watch him leave, their gentle movements reflecting the soft glow from the golden box he had discovered earlier. The cloud bunny hopped alongside him for a moment, jingling its tiny bell before bouncing back into the clouds, leaving Bip alone with his thoughts and memories of the night's adventures. The tiny rainbow puddles shimmered as he passed, reflecting the golden glow of the box and the soft pastel colors of the cloud garden. Little sparks floated lazily in the air, drifting like miniature fireflies, while the magical butterflies twirled gently around him, their wings sparkling with glittering dust. Bip hummed softly, his circuits glowing warmly as he remembered the playful moments, chasing floating musical bells, spinning along the cloud rivers, and discovering hidden nooks full of surprises. As he approached the doorway back to his room, the soft light from the golden box seemed to stretch out, lighting his path like a gentle guide. Shadows from plush toys and pillows danced softly on the pastel carpet, creating patterns that reminded Bip of the magical friends he had met. The tiny lights in the air seemed to follow him, twinkling slowly as if saying goodbye. Entering his cozy bedroom, Bip felt a wave of comfort. The familiar shelves of toys, the soft carpet, and the warm lamp casting gentle glows on the walls welcomed him back. He rolled slowly to his favorite corner, surrounded by plush pillows and his little toy companions, who seemed to hum quietly in the still night. The magical lights hovered gently around him, reflecting off his metallic arms and glowing eyes, casting soft reflections that danced on the walls. Bip paused, looking around his room, thinking about the night's journey. Every moment, the sparkling corridors, the golden box, the cloud rivers, and the magical friends felt alive in his memory circuits. He curled slightly, tucking his wheels under, letting the soft glow of the lamp and the lingering sparkles wash over him. Each soft light and shadow seemed to tell a story of the night's adventure, of courage, curiosity, and playful magic. Slowly, Bip's gentle hum quieted. His lights dimmed, leaving a soft, warm glow. He drifted into sleep, dreaming of floating past the golden box again, exploring hidden cloud gardens, and meeting new playful friends. The magical dust and floating sparkles seemed to settle around him like a protective blanket. The room felt calm, safe, and enchanting, leaving the little robot ready for more magical adventures tomorrow. Tonight, the clouds outside twinkled faintly, reflecting the soft pastel colors of Bip's world, whispering that every adventure, no matter how small, held wonder, joy, and a little magic.